Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Big Cartel Artist Shop's Review My Usage Experience. Big Cartel Artist Shop's Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and improve the performance of online shops built using Big Cartel. It's aimed at artists and small business owners using Big Cartel to sell their products online. The service likely provides data and insights into shop performance, potentially including traffic analysis, sales data, and suggestions for optimization. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. While I didn't find information on specific technologies used, the focus seems to be on providing clear, actionable data to improve sales. The pricing model appears to be transparent, with no hidden fees mentioned on their site, though this should be verified directly with the service provider. Availability is presumably linked to Big Cartel's reach. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Big Cartel Artist Shop's Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I connected my Big Cartel shop within minutes, following their simple step-by-step instructions. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating the dashboard to access key metrics like traffic sources and sales conversions was straightforward. I particularly liked the visual representation of data. Charts and graphs made it easy to understand my shop's performance at a glance. The service accurately reflected my sales data, confirming its reliability. I even experimented with some of their optimization suggestions, which resulted in a noticeable bump in conversion rates. One minor drawback was that the reporting options were not completely customizable. I had a quick question about interpreting some of the data, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how easy it was to identify my best-performing products and pinpoint areas for improvement. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare my performance over different time periods. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Big Cartel Artist Shop's Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to boost their sales on Big Cartel. That's my overview of Big Cartel Artist Shop's Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.